Welcome to your next car. Wasim here, giving you a quick walk around of this beautiful 420 diesel coupe we've had in. I'll talk you through the options and features as well as giving you a look around the condition. Estral blue, metallic of course, looks stunning in the sun. Very tidy condition. It's a 2016 model. Xenon headlights, full your next car styling package as you can see. 20-inch wheels here, which we fitted with 4 brand new tyres. This one has the M Sport Plus pack. Bigger brakes, privacy glass, Harman Kardon sound, gloss rear spoiler, twin left exhaust, original mats in the boot. The seats are also split folding. Sunroof's a really lovely option there. It's on the tilt mode, it does slide back as well. Let's take a look at the interior. Black leather on this one, heated front seats, electric folding mirrors, and of course the Harman Kardon sound, which is a must-have in my opinion. Automatic headlights, 8-speed sports gearbox, full BMW history. Next service isn't due for 8,000 miles yet. Take a look at the service info here for you. 18 and 42, it's now on 53. Professional media, Bluetooth audio, Bluetooth phone prep, auxiliary USB. MOT has just been carried out. Got the original handbooks there for you as well. And the interior is very, very tidy, as is the exterior. Lovely car. Cruise control, multifunction steering wheel. This car's physically in stock, ready to drive away. You can reserve it online by giving us a call. You can apply for finance and quote yourself on the website. Thanks for watching.